importance of passive income. You may have heard the term passive income before, but what does it really mean? Passive income is a form of income that doesn't require much active work on your part. In other words, you can earn money even while you sleep. In this article, we'll explore the importance of passive income and some of the best ways to achieve it. What is passive income? Passive income is a type of income that does not require active work in order to earn it. This can include earnings from investments, rental property, and even some business ventures. The key to generating passive income is to have a plan and put that plan into action. There are many benefits to having passive income. For one, it can provide financial security in retirement. It can also help you to diversify your income sources, which can protect you if one source of income dries up. Additionally, passive income can give you the freedom to pursue other interests and activities outside of work. If you're looking for ways to generate extra income, consider investing in rental property or starting a business venture that has the potential to generate passive income. With a little planning and effort, you can build a solid foundation for financial security and independence. Why is passive income important? Passive income is important because it allows you to earn money without having to actively work for it. This means that you can still earn money even when you're not working, which can be a great help if you need money but can't find a job. Passive income can also help you to save money, as you won't have to spend any of your own money on earning it. How to generate passive income? If you're looking to generate passive income, there are a few options available to you. You can choose to invest in real estate, create a blog and sell advertising, or participate in online marketing programs. Real estate is a popular option for generating passive income. You can purchase property and then rent it out to tenants. The rental income you receive can provide you with a steady stream of income, and if you're smart about it, you can even make a profit from appreciation over time. Blogs can also be a great source of passive income. If you create quality content that people are interested in, you can attract advertisers who will pay you to display their ads on your site. You'll earn money every time someone clicks on an ad, and if your blog is popular enough, this can quickly add up to a significant amount of money. Finally, there are a number of online marketing programs that allow you to earn commissions on sales of products or services that you refer. These programs typically involve promoting the products or services of other companies through your own website or blog. When someone clicks on one of your links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on the sale. The catch? There are a few drawbacks to passive income that you should be aware of before diving in. First, it's important to know that passive income isn't always reliable. While you may have a steady stream of income coming in, it can dry up quickly if you're not careful. Second, passive income usually requires a significant amount of upfront work. This can be time-consuming and difficult, especially if you're not used to working on projects independently. Last, passive income can be unpredictable. Even if you have a good month or two, there's no guarantee that the money will keep coming in consistently. This can make it difficult to rely on passive income as your sole source of financial stability. Despite these drawbacks, passive income can be a great way to supplement your regular earnings or provide financial security in retirement. Just be sure to do your research and understand the risks involved before getting started. Go hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.